Hi, and welcome to Love is Crafting.
Love is crafting.
I'm Tila.
I'm Stanton.
And if you're new to our channel, thanks for checking us out. And if you're returning, thanks for the support.
What we do on this channel is we take you through crafting and DIY projects that are real, but not necessarily perfect, because love isn't perfect.
We have a goal to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we need your help.
Would you consider subscribing to our channel? We post new videos every Saturday.
And in today's video, we will be installing this Ring solar panel.
We already have the Ring stick-up camera, but we hate having to recharge the batteries.
Oh my gosh, yes, it's such an inconvenience.
And since we live in a pretty sunny climate, we thought that the solar panel would solve our problems.
Now you can show your support for the channel by liking,
Commenting,
and subscribing.
love is crafting.
Love is crafting. All right, so we have our Ring solar panel here. Now we did get this off of Amazon, surprise, surprise. And we're gonna open it up and see what's all in it. All right, very cute packaging. All right, so this is the actual solar panel, and here's the cord. Here's some instructions that are always good to kind of peruse. And it says tools are inside of here. So let's see what we got. All right, this looks like what we installed to the house, and this looks like what the panel slides onto. And oh, how cute. It comes with a little screwdriver and a drill bit, right? That's what this is, drill bit? Yep. And it also comes with screws. Man, it comes with everything that you need. So let's get this going, and we'll go outside and find the perfect placement for this near our Ring camera and install it.
First things first is we decided where the solar panel was going to fit in relation to where the Ring camera is.
We use the base to mark where we're going to drill the holes.
This isn't necessary, but I like to use a small 3/16 drill bit to drill a hole where the screws are going to be.
Then we removed the panel from the base, and then we screwed the base into the pre-drilled holes.
Because of the shape of the base, it made it a little difficult for us to use our drill. So we went through a few tools and ended up using a ratchet with a Phillips tip and finishing it off with a standard Phillips head screwdriver.
Then we slid the panel onto the base and adjusted the panel. Remember, the panel only adjusts up and down, not left to right.
This panel slides differently than you would expect. Instead of sliding down onto the base, it actually slides up onto the base.
Then we connected the cord from the panel to the camera by removing the cap on the back of the camera.
Once the panel and the camera were installed, it was time for some cord management.
So it was zip ties to the rescue. They really are the easiest and cheapest way to manage your cords. You can pick them up at your local Dollar Tree.
After it's all said and done, this is our new setup.
Here's a screenshot of our Ring app directly after we connected the device, and you can see that it says connected.
Our second screenshot came 4 hours after installing the device, right before the sun came down, and you see it went from 37% to 44%.
Here's a screenshot after 24 hours, and it gained 4%.
We hope this helped you install your own Ring solar panel. And remember, love is crafting.